Hey everybody, Alistair Young here with RE/MAX and Young Real Estate, and I'm so excited to tell you about one of our most incredible new listings. It is this fantastic end unit townhome behind me, nestled on a tree-lined, quiet street, Spadina Avenue here in Chilliwack. Let's take a look inside. So here we are in your brand new kitchen. Check this out. It's glistening, it's white, it's got stainless steel high-end appliances, gas range, and then you've got high ceilings, an open concept that leads to everything that you're gonna need in a beautiful new home. This is 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and you get a media room downstairs, nice big garage, and then 2 more spots to park outside. So as many vehicles as you've got, this home can accommodate them. You're gonna love it. The neighborhood as well is a terrific, quiet, family neighborhood, great for walking, great for schools, and everything is at your fingertips. So if you would like to experience life at the Landing, this incredible, sought-after townhome complex, you want to let me know right away. Alistair Young with RE/MAX and Young Real Estate.